Welcome to Hopee's World.
Good morning, folks. Good afternoon. I am in the studio here cooking some lunch. I don't think we call it brunch. A little blurred, cooking a little brunch while my wife is back here vlogging. So right now I'm cooking here. Gotta run a few errands today, so before I leave I want to cook some food for the family. So we got a little broccoli. It's one of my favorite meals. It's sauteed veggies. I have broccoli. We have bell peppers. We have onions. We have tomatoes and a little bit of garlic. I sprinkled a little bit of garlic salt in there to give it a little flavor. Next thing we're going to add is the shrimp here that I've previously sauteed. And we'll put that in last. I'm going to add some chicken. I was going to buy some chicken breasts and cook them, but I didn't feel like it. So here we go. We're going to add a little chicken to it. Add a little chicken to it. We don't want to overcook it. And because our broccoli is, we don't want to overcook the broccoli. We want it a little crispy. All right. So my wife is in here. I was going to film her, but she's not dressed appropriately.
Just the face. I'm dressed appropriately. It's just for my activewear style.
Oh, activewear?
It's my activewear style.
While we're cooking it, my wife is over here live streaming for YouTube. So say hi to everybody from YouTube. We got Alex in the house. What's up, Alex? Hello, Po. I am Sheena May TV. Wala arte. Wale arte. Alright, so we're back here on the food. The wife just stirred everything up. Are you ready? We're gonna move a little spot over. Yeah, like that. A little space for our shrimp. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the mix. Here in our little corner. Alright. Spread it all around in this little corner. We're gonna do some social distancing here on our food. So we're gonna head back over here and get the shrimp. The shrimp is ready to go. We're gonna carry it back over here to the pot. We're gonna get spread this around a little bit. So that can cook. Okay, one of the things I like to add to my dish is bacon. I put bacon in almost everything. Yesterday we had bacon donuts. Can you believe it? Bacon donuts. They were fantastic. We're gonna add the bacon to our meal. When you add the bacon, you don't have to put too much salt because the bacon has salt in it. That's just all we need right now. Now we're gonna flip these shrimp. Alright, let's mix the veggies up with the bacon. What we'll do is we'll cover the shrimp and then cook thoroughly.
You done with this?
Yes.
Did you put the olives?
Oh, no, I forgot that.
Put on the olives. You didn't add salt yet, right?
The bacon has salt in it. The mommy put that in last, so it doesn't really cook into the food. But that's gonna really make it salty.
Here. You done with this too?
All right, we'll let that simmer for a little bit. And then we'll add some olives. We'll garnish it with olives, and then we'll call it a wrap. So my wife has me drinking this. Oh. What is it called? Apple vinegar?
Apple cider vinegar with water.
It is disgusting. Oh, Jesus.
Come on.
I'm gonna do it.
Bottoms
I'm
up.
gonna do it. Okay. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, my God. It is disgusting.
Still more.
Oh, my God.
No.
Oh.
You literally have a trash can in front of him.
The smell. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh, Jesus.
Babe, you're exaggerating.
I am not exaggerating.
You are
It is
exaggerating.
disgusting.
I take mine purely, babe.
And that's diluted with water, and it still tastes disgusting. Oh, Jesus.
Where are you going?
I need some fruit punch.
No, you don't. What are you doing?
I'm designing. That's what I do. That's how I roll. I draw pictures and make money from drawing pictures.
This particular drawings that you're doing right now.
Can't tell
What
you.
is for?
I'm under contract. This is top secret. I'm designing feet for something. Charu?
Something epic?
Something epic. I just do epic stuff. I'm trying to get paid for it.
Mm-hmm. Back to work.
Back to work.
Time check. That's a wonderful baby.
Yeah, because of the white.
That's his toys. And ta-da!
Charu.
Charu. Isn't it amazing? Even wonderful. You need to make a key. Still have to make a key there, don't you?
Yeah. So this is how a little padlock that I designed many, many years ago. Little kits for kids to build padlocks with their parents, just for fun. And then they can lock up stuff. But the way it works is you tie a rubber band here, put a rubber band here, and a rubber band here, and it makes it lock. I wish I had a rubber band machine. Do you have a rubber band too?
I think it's in Vegas. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's in Vegas.
Anyway, that's how it works. Something like cool.
Yeah.
I just make cool stuff.
Mm-hmm. I'm trying to film the freeway with my shadow, and because the lights are on.
Better with the other camera.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And yes, you see all those trucks. So that's why every day, non-stop delivery. It's not just a Coca-Cola. Yeah, it's not just a Coca-Cola factory. We are right in it. What do you call that? Like groceries, food?
Oh, the food distribution warehouse.
Food distribution warehouse. So that's why 24/7 trucks never stop even during this pandemic because their business is booming big time. And the babies are asleep. And it's time for me to say goodnight. And that's it for tonight and for today. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please do click the subscribe button. And thank you for taking your time to watch our vlog. See you. Nina L, signal, después L, Tagalog muna. Dahil yung iba hindi napapasok agad yung kanilang sagot. Kaya pabilisan ang pindutan, attach. And at the same time, while I'm doing my live, I'm also filming. Hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel. To our YouTube channel. Welcome to Hopee's World. Say hi. This is my second live for Hopee's World page sa YouTube. Facebook. So, hello! Shout out to our friends. To our, ano ba yung sabi ni Scar na tawagin? Mga ka-dreams. Sa ating mga ka-dreams. Jangjang, shout out to Jangjang, Normina, Tahalang, Maldita, who else? Sarah Livares, AJ Matias, Ace Phillips, Duke Yaison, Maribel Cruz, who else? Karen, Toribio Francisco, pa-shout out, yes, ayan. So, wag kayong magtaka ko yung mga pangalan nyo na mention ko sa aking YouTube vlog, okay? Christina, what it was? Siana May Lim. Yes, kita. Jan Ashley, hello, Janice.